the letter say? Start over.
I made this slide, and then I made this. This says, I hope you come back, Daddy. I love you. And I draw my lips on there. I draw my lips on there.
That's sweet.
So no, I kissed him.
So he'll know you kissed him?
Yeah, I just draw my lips. Can you draw my lips?
Okay.
So, draw my lips. No, not right there. Not there. It's not right there.
Oh, Kessie.
Okay. Now, draw my lips right here.
Hey.
Draw my lips right here. Draw my lips right here. Draw my lips right here. Draw my lips right there. Wait. I just put my lips on there. No, do it.
You want me to trace your lips? Let me do this side. Okay, let's see. Does it look like lips?
No.
I don't think it worked. You have to do that with like lipstick.
What? What?
It's all over your face.
Take a video of it.
I am.